GameStop, loving the NFT talk. Remember we were saying it's the fan base, and they're trying to connect the dots here as far as becoming a Web3 company.
Yeah.
Are you still into the Web3 thing yourself?
I feel like it's inevitable.
Okay, all right. That's Will's point. GameStop taps Immutable X for NFT marketplace and launches a $100 million gaming fund. The retail gaming staple is taking a carbon neutral swing at Web3 with no shortage of bankroll. So they got money. They're hanging in there. Like this. What is it? Wall Street Bets community.
Apes.
The apes have
Consolidated?
Fortified this company. And
with an enclave.
Maybe. Yeah. That might
Solid
be right.
enclave.
And now you're looking for diversification, a way to hang around into the next generation. And really, it seems like all options are on the table for this company. The gaming retail giant said Thursday it tapped the layer 2 system to be used atop Ethereum because of Immutable zero gas fees for trading and minting NFTs in a carbon neutral environment. GameStop's plans for its marketplace to include billions of low-cost in-game assets that can easily be bought and sold. It's like an eBay of NFTs. You're laughing. Go ahead.
For some reason, like this term, like we all understand it now, but it sounds so foreign, maybe like a year ago.
Oh, right.
Zero gas fees, carbon neutral environment.
It starts even earlier
minting,
than that. Yeah.
NFTs.
All you need is like this. Layer 2 system, Ethereum, immutable, zero gas, mint, NFT, carbon neutral.
It's like, oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, and then at the very end, non-fungible tokens.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. It's a lot of words, man, that everybody's into right now.
Oh, man.
Anyway, you can see what they're taking submissions, I believe, right now. I don't know if you left that page open or not, or did you close it?
Which one?
The actual web page, which will be the home for their... Oh, there we go, yeah. So Immutable X, GameStop NFT, they're doing $100 million grant program. We seek to fund game changers. We are calling on builders and creators to power the future of Web3 gaming. Apply for grant consideration. So they're handing out $100 million bucks. If you want to get involved, you can head over to their website, GameStopNFT.typeform.com, and there's an apply button right there, so you can get involved. If you go back to the Reddit post there, the one in the middle, it looks like GameStop is planning for $3 billion plus in primary and secondary sales via their NFT marketplace. Oh my God! So huge projections over there on what they expect to be able to generate. These are the milestones. So I guess this is kind of like a projection. The grant will be distributed in such portions on condition of each of the milestones being met to the reasonable satisfaction of Digital Worlds in good faith. This is, we got the legal type of terminology in there. But everybody wants a piece of this NFT thing, including GameStop. And GameStop seems to be one company that has such a, unlike the game developers themselves, the fans of GameStop seem to provide insulation. They seem to provide a tremendous amount of flexibility for the company.
Yeah, there's no friction there.
It's
you can
weird.
do anything there.
I mean, because they're investors, right? So anyway, they plan to for this thing to produce billions in just a couple years. Good luck.